In MagiCAD, there are different ways to design sprinkler pipework with or without fire hydrants. Fire hydrants can be installed into an existing sprinkler pipework, or they can be installed into a domestic pipework. When selecting sprinkler devices, you can have a product offered by MagiCAD, or you can use other families as well. With other families, there are some exceptions when it comes to calculations, so MagiCAD product is more preferred. There are several ways to install sprinkler heads into the model. You can place them one by one, use an array option, and install them into the space or even ceiling grid. Ceiling grid involves proper architectural model with reflected ceiling on it. With array installation, there are properties needed in sprinkler installation such as arrays first instance distance to walls. You can use your own pipes or pipes created in MagiCAD. Pipes involves properties for sprinkler calculations which are assigned through our functions, such as Hazen-Williams factor. When connecting sprinkler heads to pipes, there is an enhanced connection tool. With the tool, you can connect sprinkler heads to main pipes several ways, through inline, antenna, or grid connection. There are several options for branch pipes. You can set up different offsets and routing, and finally, if necessary, you can use flexible sprinkler pipe in connection. Flexible sprinkler pipe is special pipe provided by MagiCAD. For sprinkler calculations, wet or dry, you need to set up a sprinkler design area. Sprinkler sizing is performed by the number of sprinkler heads in a branch. Sizing calculation doesn't need sprinkler design area. Sprinkler calculation, which calculates properties such as leakage sprinklers in an area, demanded pressure by the properties of the pipe and heads, pressure losses, and equivalent lengths of the necessary products and fittings. Dry sprinkler calculation, which is designed to be used in a system that has a part of the pipes without water, can be designed and calculated in MagiCAD also. For the dry area, you would need a dedicated dry valve. For the calculations, the principles are the same as for the wet calculations, but topped with dry part options.